President William Ruto kiroko kia umuthi ni atunganite na President wa Italy Sergio Mattarella uria ukinyete bũrũri-inĩ iceera-inĩ ria thikũ 4. Mucemanio-inĩ uria uhanĩkĩire thingira-inĩ wa iregi wĩrĩgĩrĩirwo kwarĩrĩrio maũndũ matiganĩte hamwe namo arĩ njĩra cia kũmatia ndũgũ ya bũrũri wa Kenya na Italy wonjoria oro hamwe na gwĩkĩranĩra ngirimiti cia ũiguano maũndũ-inĩ ngũrani.
That we are going to resolve the issues surrounding Italy, Aror and Kimwere dams, an issue that was that has stalled the construction of those three dams now for almost 3 years. I am happy to report to the nation that the government of Kenya and the government of Italy have agreed, and in fact, the process of sorting out the matters in court has already started in earnest. We, as the government of Kenya, are going to withdraw the cases filed against the companies, and the government of Italy and the contractors are also going to withdraw the arbitration cases. We have agreed that the restart of this projects is not only urgent, it is priority, it is necessary, because it's going to supply water to many towns in Nakuru County.